Hi, I'm Susan. As I said in yesterday's video, I'm playing catch up with the hashtag 2022 collage challenge, this time for March. At least I made it in the right month, even if it is the very last day. And what the prompts for today are, this is hosted by Julie of Art and Junk Journals with Julie and Lee of Lee's Art Studio. And these talented women, I love watching them collage and do what they do. Doodle. I participated in the Doodle Challenge and it was so much fun. And they're very supportive and I love participating with them. And this month, the month of March style is medieval or like ancient Greek, Middle Ages Egyptian. I'm going with the Egyptian because I had some stamps already for that, and that's not the stamp, it's a sun. And so I've got some digitals of that. The theme is winter, cold, and that's hard to do with Egypt, but I did find this Egyptian dog in the snow, so there you go. The color is orange or peach, and there's all kinds of different oranges throughout my digitals. Paper is tissue, napkin, decoupage, or rice paper, and this was about the best I could do for tissue. Images, focal points, a butterfly, bee, or insect or bug, and I have a couple of scarabs. I've got this one and this one. And mark making is stamping, stenciling or inking. Shapes, keyboard, or math symbols. That one, I'm not sure how I'm going to handle that one. We'll just have to wait and see. And the bonus is bling, sequins, charm, jewels, stickles, or glitter. So I may end up swapping out that for the keyboard or math symbols. We'll just have to wait and see. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, I'm finished. I'm not very good with Egyptian. I'm not sure how happy I am with this one. But it is very interesting. I've got the style as being Egyptian. I've got my theme, the winter, cold. All I really could find for Egyptian was the snow with this Egyptian dog. And I've got the fire. The colors orange or peach, and I've got lots of oranges throughout. Paper, I've got the tissue in my background, and the focal point, I've got an insect, which is scarab, and mark making, I got stamping, and I've got inking, and I've got my math symbols, and I need to add some bling. I forgot to add my bling. Let's see what we've got. Bling makes everything better. Alright, I've got my bling. I want to thank Julie and Lee for hosting this. It really was a lot of fun. I feel like I learn something every time I do a new collage, whether it looks as well as I would like it to or not. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. And until next time, bye y'all.